Squad, what up? We back. Here to work on the LS. You know, getting it ready for Guru to come put his touches on it. Hold on. All right. Hit this light. We back in here. Let me turn this camera around. Come on. Oh, it's a new gimbal. I don't know what I'm doing. Hold up. Boom. No? Fuck it, y'all gonna look at me then. So look, we getting ready. Gonna come out here, work on the LS. Let's figure it out. There we go. Oh yeah, we in here. Oh wait, hold on. There we go. Boy, we gonna get it right though. So we about to work on the LS. I'm gonna put this on a tripod, switch all over to voiceover mode. Let's get. All right, YouTube, we back. You see right here, I'm gonna fast forward through all the video, just talk to y'all through this whole one, cause this was way harder than what I thought it was gonna be, but it's easy. You feel me? Like the first time, it's a little hard, but after that, you gonna get right. You'll get it. Just take your time. Basically, what I would suggest you do is don't cut nothing. Just unravel it all the way and just figure out the path that you're gonna go. Wrap it up once. Wrap it up all the time. Let's get that straight. No glove, no love. Let's figure that out. But from there, let's get back to this story. Just figure out your route that you're gonna go, and then just undo it and redo it all over again. Just take your time. Make it look as good as you can. It's some more spots that I feel like I could have did better, but this ain't no show car. Ain't nobody finna probably even see these headers but me, Guru, and whoever else might work on the car. Guru, yeah, I keep saying your name. You gonna work on it. Let's get that right. You came all the way back out here to Cali, so I gotta get you out here to fuck with me. But anyway, so I'm just wrapping it up. The reason why I say is unwrap it all, don't cut none of it, is because I actually cut it in half, and I don't know, man. It just wasn't the right way to go. But let's just talk about the car, reason why I'm building the car. Just give y'all the backstory. So I bought a whole F-body. That's a 98 Camaro. I bought that whole car wrecked, but the motor was good. So bought the car for cheap. Dude out in Pomona. Brought it to the house. Me and my pops, we took the motor out, took the rear end out, took everything out that I thought I would need for this swap. And then we just sold the car, sold whatever I didn't need to other people who needed it, and then took it to the junk. So it sat in the backyard for like 3-4 years before I even started working on it. And then we went and found a Monte Carlo, me and my uncle, out in the IE. We found the perfect one that we wanted on. So he had this car back in the 90s, fell in love with it ever since then. He painted it a few times, put different color rims on it, things like that. Got it right. So ever since then, I was like, yeah, I want one. So when I told him I'm ready to get one, we looked for it. His was blue on the outside, blue on the inside. So we had to find that one, and we found it. He found it for me, went out there, got it. It was, I'm the second owner of that car. Dude who I got it from, he passed away. It sat in the car from 01 till when I picked it up in 2015. So yeah, I think I got a good deal on it. So we're gonna put it all together. Too bad. Before I could finish the car, my uncle passed away. May he rest in peace, DC. So y'all might see little hints of DC here and there when the car is done. So if you follow with me through this whole journey, we gonna have something where giveaways, things like that. If we blow up big enough, even if we don't, man, whoever stick with me, follow the videos, like them and all that. We're going to have something to give away for y'all. If y'all find the DCs, the little Easter eggs, that's what we're going to call them. Easter eggs. Car probably ain't going to be ready till next summer. It was supposed to be ready this summer, but y'all know what happened. Everything got shut down. So, I mean, I guess it kind of helped me, because boy, I was at the gym and working more than anything else. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm getting a little husky, a little big in the midsection. It don't matter though. Anybody who want these buckets, they could get these buckets. Just pull up. You just let me know when and where. You pull up or I'm gonna pull up. We'll figure it out. And if you better than me, I got something to do that day. So that it is what it is. I ain't finna let you beat me. That's out. I don't know where they do that at. Anyways, back to the car. So y'all stick with me, follow me through this journey. I ain't got a gang of money. I ain't got the best tools. I stay at Harbor Freight. I stole a whole bunch of tools from my dad. So when he watched this video, he always be coming over to the house like, oh, this look real familiar. Like, yeah, they made that tool and they stopped making them? Nah, we both got one. It's that simple. He ain't gonna go look for it, so I got it. But let's see. What else we doing to this car? Sure, we got a lot in the works right now. I'm just trying to hurry up, get done, because it got an appointment to go get the interior done later this year. So it gotta go because it's getting shipped away already. I'm already on the books, and that dude stay busy. So I can't miss that. And it still gotta go to paint and body and shoot out there. So what I'm trying to do is I want to get the motor right, get it running, because we got to rebuild everything. So they tell me I got to put 500 miles on it. I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know if that's true. Because, I mean, it makes sense. They said that if I send it to the paint shop, they just gonna turn it on, move it, turn it off. Turn it on, move it, turn it off, and it's going to mess something up. I don't know. But I probably got to drive it around. It ain't even registered, and I ain't going to register it till it get back from getting the interior done, because that's the last thing it's going to get done. So I really feel like I'm gonna try to have one of the hottest ones in the city. That's the only way to do it. That's the way my uncle would tell you to do it, especially like things like this right here, how I'm doing this manifold. He would look down at that and he gonna see that one little spot. I'm gonna point it out to y'all right here. He gonna see that one little spot like, why didn't you do that? Or why didn't you paint this boat black? And it's not him hating, it's just him telling you, hey, pay attention to the small details. That's what's going to set you apart from everybody else. So that's the way I'm going to try to do things and make sure it's right. But y'all just stick with me. You see everything that we doing, everything that we done did so far. And y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all got any comments, anything like that. Like, I want to hear it all. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, whether it's, hey, I did this, or this is what you should do. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.